Okay, this video is about how to use a kilowatt meter to measure across any kind of component you want. And I got the circuit running 240 watt light bulbs in parallel, so it equals 80 watts altogether. And so the voltage across the capacitor is about 77 volts, and the current is 0.51 amps, and the wattage is 1.1 watts that's being used at the capacitor. This is what I want to do here, see? Put the meter connected to those 2 points, and R1 represents the light bulbs. This is the way you do it here. That's the input of the meter, and then the capacitor is mounted at the output. And this plug here is the output, and it's connected to these three capacitors here, and they're all in parallel. Now, I compared with this diagram right here, which is excuse me, two 40 watt light bulbs there at 120 volts, and it uses 0.65 amps, and that's about 80 watts. So R1 is 80 watts, and the voltage at R1 is 120 minus 77 is 43 volts. And that 77 is from the voltage at the capacitor, which is 77 volts, and the current at point A there is 0.52 amps, when it should have been about 0.65 amps in the previous diagram here. Yep, right there. And then all three capacitors are in parallel, should equal 2 microfarads. Now I've got to set up a voltmeter to measure the voltage on the capacitors. I might do that later. I'll just put it in the description or comments. Thank you for watching.